YouTube friends, Itsy here, and I was about to make a smoothie that I'm bringing to a potluck today. And what I did was I cut a watermelon in half, and the other half's already in the fridge, and I thought I'd make a video for you. This is my favorite summer smoothie. So pretty much the ingredients are watermelon, lime, or lemon, depending on what you choose. And then my favorite mint is woolly apple mint. And this is from up the road. This grows on the side of the small road that I live on. What I do with the limes before I cut them is I'll roll them against the counter real good and soften them up. Make sure they're real nice and soft. That way you get the most juice out of them. I cut them in half. And I put them in my little squeezer here. These squeezers are really cool. See, that has holes in the bottom. Put the lime in there and you squeeze it. I'm going to do this here. I don't know if you could see this or not, but you get a lot out of the lime when you use a squeezer like this. Get a lot of juice out of it. And then a lot of times I'll just turn it over once, squeeze once more again, and then turn it back where the pulp is facing down again. Squeeze that into there real nice. And I'm going to put 2 limes in this one. This makes a little over half a gallon. It's a full Vitamix container. Really full. It's always best when it's cold, I think. Some people like to have things room temperature. I prefer it cold, so sometimes I'll put the watermelon in the fridge the night before. This time I didn't because I wasn't sure what I was going to do for this potluck. But this is what I'm doing. I'm going to bring a nice watermelon drink. It's a big hit. People love it. So I'm doing 4 halves, 2 full limes. They're pretty small. But the flavor of this is amazing. If you haven't tried this, this is something to try. So delicious. And then with the mint, I pretty much just take the leaves. Make sure there's no bugs on them. I always shake them when I get them. And I usually put a bunch. I put a bunch of mint in there. So this whole stem, I'm going to do, and I might even add a little bit more. The mint just takes it to another level. So amazing. Not all the leaves look great, so I'm not gonna use all of them. Some of them I'm just gonna compost. And grab another stem here. Look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. So good. All right. So here's all the mint I'm putting in. It's a lot. A lot of flavor. A lot of flavor going in there. I'm going to take this over and blend it up. Sometimes if your watermelon's not as sweet as you'd like it to be, you can always add a couple dates. It's always best to have melon just pretty much by itself. But it doesn't kill you to add a date or 2, especially if you're bringing it to a gathering. This watermelon is so sweet it doesn't need anything more. Another add-on you could do to make it cold quickly if you'd like would be to add some frozen strawberries. Sometimes I'll even add a beet to make the color really pretty. And I love the taste of beets. Here's the rest of the smoothie I made for the potluck. I'm going to add this to that. And this will be really nice. And of course there's going to be a lot left over for me, which is great because usually you go to potlucks and there's not much in the way of vegan. So a lot of times if you're going to a potluck and you don't know anybody and you're not sure about it, it's good to eat before you leave. Make a big smoothie, which is what I'm going to do anyway. So I'm going to drink my smoothie, bring this with me, putting that in the fridge so it's nice and cold for later. And I'm going to have my nice big banana smoothie before I go, so I feel satisfied when I'm there. And the rest of this is for me. Try this. You could use lemon or lime. And I like woolly apple mint. There's lots of different mints and they give it different flavors. Woolly apple mint's my favorite, and spearmint. And thanks for watching. Subscribe over here maybe, or over there. I'm not sure where you're going to subscribe yet. But hit the subscribe button and I'll see you again. Take care. Thanks for watching. Peace, and I love you. Bye.